Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Dave the Phone Guy. This is the Xiaomi Mi 9T, and today I'm gonna unbox it and give you my initial thoughts and impressions. So, without further ado, let's get into it. All right, let's get into it. Ta-da! Nothing. So you got your SIM pop tool. Looks like it comes with a case. Super thin. Manuals. Whoa. Whoa. This is nice. This is nice. I don't know if the camera's really picking the color of this phone up. Wow. Wow. That's my initial impressions. Wow. This is blocking the beautiful back. This is nice. I mean, this feels premium, just right off the bat. Now, I got this on Amazon, $350, and wow. I love the red button with the blue back. Kind of gives it that Superman type of feel and vibe. Let's power it up. Wow. Well, that's powering up. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Got your charging cable and your charging brick. That's it. Man, that is a good looking phone. Wow. Wow. Mori 10. Look at that. That's nice. And it just shimmers in the light. Wow, that's super nice. Let's go through the setup here. Screen feels responsive, just scrolling through. Man, feels really good. Alright, let me get my Wi-Fi password in here. Now, I wonder how fast it's going to be the fingerprint sensor unlock, how fast it's going to be. You know, this is a mid-range phone. Right here I have the OnePlus 7 Pro. Here's the difference in the back. I mean, I thought the Pro was nice, the 7 Pro, but I mean, this looks really cool. Difference in screen size. Turn the brightness up so you can kind of see. I mean, Obviously the 7 Pro is a little bit bigger device. I prefer a flat screen for sure. This feels ultra premium. I mean, this shouldn't be a $350 phone the way it feels. I mean, they're doing it right. Let's skip past this. Skip. Accept everything. Got it. Let's skip. I don't have a My account. Skip. Alright, so this is what I want to see. The fingerprint scanner. We're going to do a pin. Got it. So I have to do this multiple times. I'm pressing down and lifting my finger over and over again because it's learning my fingerprint. Alright, so it's finishing its setup. I mean, that was pretty fast. I've read and saw other videos that people complain that it was a little slow. That was pretty fast. Seems good to me, no complaints there. Man, this back is sick. This is really cool, man. I like it a lot. All right, looks like there's an update already. So yeah, let's download that sucker. Let's get it going. So I have to say, my initial thoughts is this is not a $350 phone. I mean, if I obviously it's got mid specs, right? It's got the Snapdragon 720 instead of an 855, but it does have 6 gigs of RAM. I mean, but it doesn't feel, it's got a nice weight to it. It doesn't feel like a $350 phone. I mean, this feels like a $600, $700, $800 phone. I mean, it doesn't feel any less expensive as my 7 Pro, right? And we know this is supposed to be the flagship killer. We know that, you know, you get a lot for your money with OnePlus, but I mean, this feels solid. I was trying out one of the mid-range Pixels, and it felt cheap, it was sluggish. I just didn't like it at all, to be honest with you. And I sent it right back. I don't even think I lasted a day using it because it just did not feel good in the hands. I mean, the screen was the performance was sluggish, it felt cheap, you know, and it was more expensive than this. This feels premium, this feels great. Man, so I'm gonna use this phone for a week and get back to you guys and let you know really if it works as well as it feels. But I can tell you that it feels great. So I'm gonna take it through its strides. You know, I'm not a huge camera buff, but I'm gonna take some photos with it, and you know, just by looking at the photos, see if it really feels like a premium camera also, or looks like a premium camera also. You know, hit me up in the comments. Let me know if there's something specific you would like to know about the phone. I'll answer all the questions that you guys have. Yeah, I mean, if you haven't already, you know, please subscribe, hit the bell. That way you'll get notified of my next video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. I am Dave the Phone Guy and thoroughly impressed. Till the next video, guys. Talk to you.